Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This time I came upon one very interesting facts about the computer, which I never know for a very long time, that I have been using this Google Chrome. I never know that this dinosaur it is. Oh no, it is a game. I never know. All this time I'm using internet. I never know that this is a game. It's the first time today I discovered that this is a game. I tried to search from the internet. They call this a Dino Game. There are some people who can play it well. They can score so high, even to the highest score of 99999 up to 59. There is one guy, if you look at YouTube, he is playing until he scored 99999. For me it's so hard. I can play, I can't score even 1000 points, only that much. 1000 or more than 1000, like that. I can't score even 1000 also. My eyes are becoming blurred. I can't see properly. They are just circling round. I can't play anymore. I cannot score. So guys, you can try it out yourself. Whenever your computer didn't have an internet connection, you can press the space bar from your keyboard, or from the arrow up of your keyboard, and this dinosaur will start running and jumping, avoiding the cactus plant and the crow. Only these two type. No? You have to jump. Every time you have to jump. Only sometimes you have to crawl, because that crow will fly above your head. Okay guys, that's all for today, just for fun.